Solar panels are a powerful way to save energy and money, but did you know that dirt, dust, and debris can reduce their efficiency by up to 30%? That's where Stay Clear comes in. We're a local company serving the entire Mornington Peninsula in Victoria, Australia. Our professional solar panel cleaning services restore your panels to peak performance using eco-friendly methods that protect both your system and the environment. For your peace of mind, we take detailed photos of your cleaned panels so you can see the difference for yourself. With Stay Clear, you'll not only extend the lifespan of your panels, but also boost your energy savings. Trust the experts to keep your system working at its best. Stay Clear, cleaner panels, better performance, more savings. Proudly serving the Mornington Peninsula. Call or SMS us on 04 294 40 380 for a free quote.